Hey, what's up, everybody? Chris from Motorsports International. A little bit more on the Talon build. So harnesses will be the next thing that we need, not only for safety but comfort. Hold you in place. You don't move around that much. Going in this blind, I have not looked into this yet. I don't know what it's going to take, so we're learning together on this. You'll get a true feel on what it takes. As far as I know, we're going to remove the belts from here. Driver's side will require a seatbelt override, so you're not stuck in low gear. I'll show you that at the desk. Pass-through bezels already installed. Honda has them in the seats. Very nice seats, very comfortable. Make it nice and simple. Also added, the bar is directly behind the seats where you want it. So that way the harnesses have something to attach to. A lot of people run them over the seats. The issue with that is under hard impact, you could actually slip out of the harnesses. Ideal conditions, that can happen. Hopefully that won't happen. Pro Armor harnesses, this is what I'm going to be running. 3-inch wide pad, very wide for comfort. I'm in this thing for 2 hours at a time minimum. Comfort's key. One thing a lot of people are nervous about is this style latch. They look at the automotive buckle, they think it's going to be much simpler. Very easy to use. Pull it open, it's unlatched. Slip it back in, pull the arm over, locked in place. Scares some people, they think it's going to be too complicated. It's really not, very simple. Bolt in where the seat belts were. On the back side, I'm going to remove this and just run the strap over the back bar. And this is the override. This is what I was telling you about. Super ATV does have them in stock. That's where I got mine. Like I said, they got a full line of products already out for this machine. So very quick on shipping. I just ordered that stuff on Monday. And there was a holiday in the middle of the week, and I still got it before the weekend. So this will be a learning curve. Like I said, I did not look into this at all. I have no idea what I'm going to run into. So this will be a true video of seeing what it will take to put this in. So follow with me on this. Thank you. All right, we got the harnesses done. Took a little bit longer than we thought. I pulled a lot apart that I didn't have to on the first seat. Found a trick that you'd like to see, I'd imagine. Where the retractor goes for this factory seat belt, there's a small hole, it's hard to see. You'll see where the seat belt goes through. I pulled apart all the plastics to try to access it. When all you need to do is pull the panels out of the backside, and right here is where it would bolt in. So you just remove the bolt, pull the whole thing right out, and it falls right out, and you don't have to pull anything else apart. And then, as I spoke about before on the seatbelt override, when you remove this, you have a plug at the end of it. Underneath the seat, if I can get it out real quick for you, there's a rubber mat right here that plugs into right here. I don't know if you can see that, but plug the override right in there. It thinks the seatbelt's plugged in, lets you go faster than, let's say, 10, 15 miles an hour. So if you don't pull apart everything like I did, you should be able to get this done in probably an hour, hour and a half maybe. Once you get all the tools out, it's pretty quick. So hopefully that helps you out. Hopefully it's a little quicker for you than it was for me. Thanks, Ben.